Now, this is a recipe to warm your soul on a cold winter evening. This is proper comfort food. Welcome to Everyday Delights. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join our family. So, let's begin by making an amazing universal masala. Start by adding some butter to the pan along with finely chopped garlic. Add finely chopped onions and we are going to cook them until translucent. Now, when I say universal masala, I mean you can make so many things with it. Now, the reason we just added the ginger garlic paste after the onions is because the paste starts to burn before the onions can cook. Add some finely chopped tomatoes and saute everything until the tomatoes go soft and are completely cooked. We are not going to cover this at any point. Just keep sauteing and add a little water if and when necessary. This will give your masala a different taste altogether. Now add some turmeric, cumin powder, red chili powder as per your taste, coriander powder, pav bhaji masala and salt. You can even add garam masala or tandoori masala instead of the pav bhaji, but either way it's going to be tasty. Let the masalas roast for a minute and you can see everything coming together beautifully. Now when your masala is ready, take it out and store it in the fridge or the freezer. To make the breadcrumbs, let's add some more butter and around half of the ready masala. Mix it in and saute for a minute on a high flame. Add some ketchup, mix it really well. And now a splash of water to get a gravy-like consistency. Once it starts to boil, add some finely chopped coriander. Now comes the best part of today's recipe, the breadcrumbs. This is pav that I have cut up into big chunks, but you can use any leftover bread, but just make sure you cut it into big pieces. We have some amazing memories of this dish when we were in college and always went to this small place in Pune where this dish is called breadcrumbs. The uncle there makes it on this huge tawa and you would always find people standing all around the cart eagerly waiting for their plate to be ready. Now keep tossing everything until the bread pieces are completely coated in your masala. Here you can add a little more water if you feel the need to. But if you do, just remember to adjust the salt. A quick tip here is to taste and make any adjustments in your masala before adding the actual bread. And once everything is in the pan, maintain a high flame. Now there's two things you can do here. Turn the gas off to maintain a soft texture through and through, or you can keep tossing everything on a high flame until you see a light brown color if you want a crispier version like I have done here. Let's take it all out into a wide bowl and grate cheese all over it. Add lots of it and add it while the breadcrumbs are still hot. Wait for a minute so that the cheese melts a little. Or add the cheese while the breadcrumbs are still in the pan. Cover it just for a minute so that the steam can melt the cheese and then just dig in. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.